Today, we're talking about the new updates in the UK skilled worker visa, one of the most talked about routes for people aiming to work in the UK. The UK government has introduced changes so the visa focuses more on real skills, proper qualifications, and accurate salary levels. One of the biggest changes is the shift toward RQF Level 6 jobs, roles that are considered degree level in the immigration system. This doesn't mean every applicant must have a degree. It means the job role itself must sit at that skill level. That's why checking your job code on the official government list is extremely important. If your job code is below the required level, it may not qualify. Another major change is salary updates. The UK has increased salary thresholds to match the labor market and reflect the skill level of the job. The salary depends on your occupation code. Some jobs follow national pay scales, some have specific minimums, and others follow general thresholds. When employers issue a certificate of sponsorship, the salary they offer must meet the required level for that job code. No exceptions. Many people ask about dependents. As of 2025, dependents can still come under the skilled worker route, but they must meet their own eligibility rules. Dependents need to prove the relationship, meet age rules, and show maintenance funds. Unless they are exempt, employer duties have become stricter. They must keep proper records, follow Home Office rules, and report changes on time. Employers also pay the immigration skills charge, which is one reason some companies are very selective when offering sponsorship. The Home Office now checks carefully whether your job duties match your job code. Job title doesn't matter, duties do. Most applicants must show English language ability through an approved test or a degree taught in English. The skilled worker route can lead to settlement, but only if you meet all long-term conditions like salary, continuous residence, and compliance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make
Trends
sure
for
to
this quarter
subscribe
show
for
a
more
significant
clear and
increase in
honest
the mid-level
updates on UK
positions,
visas.
while executive
Take care
compensation
and
has
see you in the
stabilized.
next
The
video.
salary charts are